So we start off by setting the clock. You can see here we have it on the set clock dial, and we're going to use the plus and minus buttons to set it to the time of day. Ensure that AM or PM is correctly set. So we just go round in a circle. Next is the start time. So this dictates when the irrigation system will come on. We always set it up for 5 AM to get it water into your plants early in the day where they can use it throughout the day. So carry on round. How long? So this is how long that the water will be flowing through the system. Again, a standard setting, 25 minutes, but you can play with that depending on your soil and how much water your garden needs. How often? So you can go anywhere from every 6 hours up to every week. A good base starting point is every 12 hours, twice a day. So with a start time of 5 o'clock in the morning, you'll have 25 minutes in the morning and 25 minutes in the afternoon at 5 o'clock. The next setting is timer off. We don't necessarily want that. You want to leave it on auto, which means water will be running through the timer as long as your tap is on, and it will run as you set it up. If your garden's really dry or you just want to check that the system is working properly, use the manual setting on your timer to do a manual run. Just simply press the button, use the plus and minus buttons to set the amount of time, and water will run through the system. You can check everything's working or just add a little bit of extra water into your garden.